Hello and welcome back to the ABC of Excel series. Now in this video, we'll learn how to sort and filter data in Excel. Now sorting helps you organize your data, while filtering allows you to display only the data that is relevant to you. Let's dive in. Now sorting data is one of the most powerful tools in Excel. It allows you to arrange your data in a specific order. You can sort data alphabetically, you can sort data numerically, and you can sort data by date. So now let's do a practical example. Let's say that I have, like you can see that I have products here. I have quantity, I have price. There, don't worry about the total. And then I have date. I want to sort by product name. I want to sort it alphabetically. So what do? I'm going to select my data, select it. So I've selected this. I thought a lot about this home ribbon. So I'm going to come to my sort and filter here. I'm going to click sort from A. I was asking me, it's saying something, it's a sort warning, which says Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. What do you want to do? So it's giving me two options, expand the selection or continue with the current selection. Expand the selection means that it's going to sort everything together using what I selected as a criteria. Or continue with the current selection, which means that it's just going to sort this product name that I highlighted or selected and it's going to leave the other ones. But if I continue with the current selection, it's going to scatter my data set. Yeah. So I'm going to say expand. I'm going to leave it in expand the selection. I'm going to say sort. So it has sorted it. Now in my store, I'm able to know that the lowest products that I have is charger. And the highest product that I have is tables. So I know that probably I'm going to buy more charger and I'm not going to buy tables for now. Why? Because I have enough of it and I don't have enough of charger. So that is me sorting alphabetically. Now, if I want to sort numerically, I'm going to highlight the column that has numbers here. And then what do? I'm going to come to sort to. So sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Like I've explained this. So yeah, so I know I have tables, I have 34 tables, I have 27 pouch and so on. That is me. And I can sort by dates. This is me sorting by dates. This is me sorting by date. Let's see. It's asking me, is it the oldest to the newest or newest to the oldest? So let's see, newest. So I'm saying oldest to the newest, meaning that so I still have a 2017 product in my store. Like, what has it been doing? Has it not expired? This is light. Sorry, there's an error. There is supposed to be light that is there. I'm just saying it. Let's just fix that. Yeah. So my case, I'm having 2017 product. Really? I'm having that's a 7 years ago product. So I just want. So it makes us know what probably have gotten to the expiry date or something. So this can help organizations, it can help company, it can help that your sales, it can help that your products. And that's it. Now you can sort multiple columns. You hear that right? You can sort multiple columns. Now let's say that you have list of products and their prices and you want to sort it by particular criteria. That means you want to sort more columns, and this is helpful when you want to sort data by one column and then organize it further by another. So let's say I want to sort my product name, then by the price within the category. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select a cell in the column I want to sort by. So I want to sort by product name, yeah? And then I'm going to click on sort button in the data section. I'm going to come to the data section. This is where more filter is or more advanced. So when I click on sort, it's going to bring a box. Now it's saying sort by what? So in this case, I want to sort by category. Then I'm going to add another level to it because I want to sort by category and then by price. But I'm sorry, by name, product name, and then by price. So in this case, let me say let's sort it by date. And then after sorting by date, we just sort by price. So sort by date, which is the oldest to the newest, yes, and then sort by price. So sort by date, sell values, oldest to the newest. Let me add another level to it. Then after you have sorted it by date, then sort it by price. Sort it by price. That is the smallest price to the largest. And I'm going to click on OK. So what did it do? Sorted it by date first and then by price. So we are seeing that light. oldest that we have. And then next to it, we're seeing port 5, and then which is for phone. And then we're seeing router next. So it sorted the date first, then the price before doing everything. So that is and so this is we're going to do more about this complex sorting later. Now let's move to filtering. Filtering is a great way to display only the data that you need without changing the original order and layout. Now to apply filter to your data set, just click on any cell in your data range. Then go to your data tab, which we have already, and then click on filter. Yeah. So let's do that. Click on filter. Can we see we already have something that looks like funnel here? Something that looks like funnel. So now if I want to show, like I just want to show, probably I have more products that has lights. And let's quickly duplicate this. To duplicate this so that we're gonna have more of it and more of it. Yeah. So now let's imagine that I want to check um light alone. I want to check light alone. I've already applied filter. Just going to, on select all and select the product I want alone, which is light. So I'm just going to see light alone. So that is me filtering it to see the relevant, the proper data that I want to see. Now, Excel also offers more advanced filtering options. Now, for example, I can filter text based on certain criteria, like probably containing specific words or starting with a letter. I can also filter numbers by range. So let's say I want to show products that have prices that are greater than 10. What do I do? So let me remove the filter that I have here. Let me select all back. You can just click on here, like clear filter. So now I want to show products that the prices are greater than 50. What am I going to do? I'm going to come here to the price column, and then I'm going to choose number filter. So number filter. So greater than what? Greater than 8. Greater than 8, or so greater than 8. Let's use 8. Price is greater than 8. Okay. So this is showing me, so these are the products that their prices are greater than 8. I can check for prices that are greater lesser than 10 too, and so on. So and then once you're done with your filter, you can clear it. Once you're done with your filter, all you just need to do is to clear. Sorry about that. Let me control that. So once you're done with the filter, all you just need to do is you can come here and click on clear. So it's going to remove it, clear whatever filter that you have displayed. It's going to remove it, and then you have your data as it was or as you were. Let me use that word. So thank you. And that is all for sorting and filtering data in Excel. We are going to get more into when we get to advanced, we're going to teach more about this is just the basics. So that's all. Sorting helps you organize data. Filtering lets you focus on what is important or what you want at a particular time. These are essential tools for working with large data sets. It's only easy, yeah, I think it's easy because this is just a small data set. But when we get to when we start working with large data sets, you're going to understand the usefulness of the sorting and filtering. And it helps you keep your spreadsheet tidy. In the next video, we're going to talk more about basic formulas and functions to make your calculations easy peasy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on the ABC of Excel series. Like, comment, and share. Bye.